In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an online course LMS educational website using WordPress, Elementor, and Tutor LMS. This is a complete beginner-friendly tutorial that walks you through the exact steps to set up your own learning management system website, where you can create courses, manage lessons, and build a professional education platform. Whether you're an instructor, coach, school owner, or entrepreneur, this setup is perfect for launching online courses in 2026. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and tutorial-based content. All right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin area. From your browser, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the control center of your website, where you manage themes, plugins, pages, and settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Plugins, then click on Add New. This is where you'll install the tools needed to build your LMS website. In the plugin search bar, type Tutor LMS. Tutor LMS is one of the most powerful learning management system plugins for WordPress, and it integrates perfectly with Elementor. When you see Tutor LMS appear in the results, click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate. After activation, you'll notice a new Tutor LMS option appear in your WordPress dashboard menu. Go ahead and click on Tutor LMS to access the Tutor LMS dashboard. This is where you'll manage all of your courses, lessons, quizzes, and instructors. From the Tutor LMS dashboard, click on Create Course. This will open the Course Builder where you can start building your first online course. Now you'll be taken to the course creation screen. Here, you'll begin by adding your course title and course description. Make sure your title is clear and descriptive so students know exactly what they're learning. Scroll down and add all the necessary details about your course, such as course categories, difficulty level, course duration, and featured image. These details help organize your courses and make them more appealing to students. Next, you can start adding your course content. Tutor LMS allows you to create sections, lessons, and quizzes. You can add video lessons, text lessons, and even downloadable resources depending on your teaching style. Take your time here and structure your course in a logical order so students can follow along easily. Once your course content is ready, make sure to review all the settings, including pricing options if you plan to sell your course, or enrollment settings if the course is free. After everything looks good, save and publish your course. Now your course is officially created inside Tutor LMS. The next step is to design your LMS pages using Elementor. Go to Pages in your WordPress dashboard and either create a new page or edit an existing one. Click Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor Page Builder. Inside Elementor, you can add Tutor LMS elements, such as course lists, course categories, student dashboards, and course enrollment sections. Simply drag and drop the Tutor LMS widgets into your page and customize the layout, colors, and typography to match your brand. This is where your LMS website really comes to life visually. Once you've added the necessary Tutor LMS elements and customized your page design, click Publish or Update to save your changes. Congratulations! You've now learned how to create an online course LMS educational website in WordPress using Elementor and Tutor LMS. Your website is now ready to accept students and deliver online courses. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and LMS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.